Hey there, Pit Boss Nation. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an easy and cheesy broccoli cheddar soup with a sourdough bread bowl. Let's get right into it. Alright, budget bosses, we're going to preheat our smoker to 375 degrees. Then we are going to mince up 3 cloves of garlic and put it into our Pit Boss Dutch oven. Then I'm going to chop an onion in half, chop it in half again, get a quarter of it, and then we're going to chop it all up. Place it into that Dutch oven, and then we're going to grab 3 potatoes, chop them in half, and slice them the same way we did the onions. Once we have those all chopped up, we're going to place it into our Dutch oven. Now, I'm going to take my broccoli, I'm going to remove the very bottom of the stem. Not the whole stem, because we're going to use that in the soup as well. It's very good. It has a lot of vitamins and healthy properties inside of it. Now we're going to place our chopped broccoli. This is 3 pounds of chopped broccoli into the Dutch oven. Now I'm going to get 3 cups of chicken broth, and we're going to pour this into the Dutch oven as well. Then I'm going to add 1/2 of a quart of half and half. And 1/2 of a pint of heavy cream. With all 3 of these liquids together, I'm going to just top off the soup a little bit, just so that way all the vegetables can cook. Now we're going to shred up our cheese. 8 ounces of white cheddar, 8 ounces of mild cheddar. Don't be afraid to mix them up in the same bowl. They're all going into the same soup. And we're not going to use all of the cheese. We're only going to use about 8 ounces of the cheese for the soup. The other 8 we can use as a garnish. Alright, now that the soup is nice and tender, I can break apart the potatoes with just the push of a spoon. Now we're going to transfer all the solids inside of the Dutch oven into our food processor or a blender. Okay, we're going to fill up the blender with equal parts liquid, and we're going to mix it until it's smooth. Make sure that you grab a towel and you place it on top of the lid and have your hand on top. Once it's nice and smooth, we can add our cheese. I'm going to add a couple of handfuls into it, about half of our cheese mix. Make sure you do not add the cheese while it's on the fire. This will cause the cheese to break apart and make the soup super grainy. Okay? Just make sure you add the cheese when you're in the blender. It's still hot enough that it'll melt, but it won't break apart. Now I'm going to add my sourdough bread into the smoker for about 5 minutes, just so that way it gets nice, toasty, and soft on the inside. I'm going to cut off the top of my sourdough bread bowl and then remove the insides of the bread. You don't have to throw it away. You can keep it off to the side so that way you can dip it into the soup. It's amazing. Trust me. All right, and now we're going to fill our sourdough bread bowl up. Okay, just keep adding until it's almost to the top. And then once it's almost to the top, we're going to add our shredded cheese. We're going to add some bacon that we chopped earlier. And then to top it all off, we're going to add some cut green onions to it. And there you have it. A super quick, easy, and cheesy broccoli cheddar soup cooked on the Pit Boss. This is something that everyone will love, and you don't have to tell them the secrets, okay? If they want to know the secret, just tell them to visit Pit Boss Grills on YouTube, watch this Budget Boss episodes, and see me do my little dancey dance.